Hello and welcome to week 7. You are nearly at the end of this course, which is amazing because time has gone by so quickly. And I have in front of you what's going on this week, so I wanted to talk to you about it. And I'm also going to take you to week 8 to be sure you have a clear understanding. Just wanted to share one of my favorite scriptures with you. You may think it's one that's kind of overdone, but it still is my favorite. That is Romans 8:28. That says, and we know that all things work together for good for those who love God and are called according to his purpose. And I bring you that because I know it's stressful to go through this journey of education. I did it with a family and with lots of things on my plate. And I know whether you do it directly out of high school into university or, through another path, it's always stressful. And I'm here to help and struggle through it with you. Our courses have rigor and big expectations, but we aim to help you through it by praying for you and coaching you. And reach out should you have any prayer requests or just want advice about whether to consider the master's in PR or master's in comm or career paths or PRSA, anything that's that I'd be happy to help you with. So this week you are reading chapter 8 and completing the discussion board and writing assignment, and you're preparing to do your magazine analysis project. So I suggest that you go to week 8 to get familiar with that so you can work ahead a little bit, because during week 8, I prefer if you can to get the work in by Friday. I will accept it through Sunday of midnight of next week, because I know how life happens and sometimes it's not possible for you to get it in early. But if you can, that would be greatly appreciated. So profiles are one of my favorite types of magazine writing, and also newspaper writing, I would say, or online, because it shows a little bit about the person. And what we're all interested in hearing is the story behind the person. Say if it's a famous person, how did they become famous? What was their struggle like? Or say it's someone who is a great person of faith, what motivated them and what happened in their life to help them discover that this was the path that they should take. So profiles provide us a window in to an individual's life and interests and passions. So I have posted an example of a profile here, and you're going to be learning about writing profiles in your chapter this week. So you can see it's pretty light as far as a reflection and a writing assignment, but that's intentional so that you can move ahead into week 8. And I'm going to take you to week 8 now, because at this point I always suggest students work ahead to get done. So for week 8, you've got a lecture from me, you have a reflection, a brief writing assignment, and then this is the big one that you can work ahead on. It is your critical assignment, and you will be doing a magazine analysis project. And take a look at the instructions. If you have any questions, do email me. I'd be happy to clarify. And something different that we do is with CBU Online and Professional Studies, the critical assignments are submitted through TaskStream. And it's important you read these directions here because there's some pointers there. If you struggle with TaskStream, this PDF will help you because we know where the problem areas are. So it's important for you to read that. So you turn your critical assignment in through TaskStream. You also do your course evaluation, and I give 10 extra credit points for that. So that's where you're at. I'm showing you that more to get you thinking ahead so that if you finish the light amount of work I have scheduled for you for week 7, you can certainly move into week 8 and get that done early, or at least get started on it. So I am here to help you. God bless you, and reach out if I can do anything for you. Thank you.